What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nice and Easy coming back with another video. Now, I know it's been a while since my previous upload. It's about 3 weeks now. I'd really like to apologize for that. I actually got back a couple of days ago, but I really needed this time between when I came back and now just to get myself back into order, just get my body back into shape. I haven't been getting any sleep. My jet lag is really bad, but I don't want to make any more excuses. I gotta get these videos up for you guys, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now guys, today the shoe I'll be showing you is one I picked up while I was away, not actually during the trip itself, but this came in the mail while I was gone, and I'm very excited to show everyone what this is. Without prolonging this for any more, the shoe we'll be looking at today is the Nike Kobe 1 Protro. The Nike Kobe 1 Protro comes with this big black box. The Kobe logo right there, the Mamba logo. If you can see this, but there's a Kobe signature right there. Here on the tag, just reading it, Kobe 1 Protro, size 14, wolf gray and white. Now, for those that don't know, these arrived here last July the 9th. I ordered these on the 7th, and if it hasn't been obvious yet, these are the Nike Kobe 1s in the Minneapolis Lakers colorway. Now, the Minneapolis Lakers are the original Lakers franchise in the NBA that played back in the 1950s. They're why the Lakers are called the Lakers, because one of the Great Lakes is in Minneapolis, and here are their shoes, and bang! These are a fire shoe. Actually, I really like this shoe. This shoe features an all nubuck upper with hits of leather on the swoosh and on the toe cap. Features a blue mesh here, right here at the collar area. Looking at the top, the tongue is all leather with hips of gray or silver here on the swoosh. MPLS Minneapolis, the Mamba logo. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, it features a solid rubber outsole in white, Carolina blue, Nike swoosh right there. It's a zoom air here. It's a multi-directional herringbone, as well as a diamond pattern, a scale-like pattern here in the midfoot and the toe area. This is a tried and tested traction pattern, and it is in a very hard solid rubber. Now, looking at the shoe, this is Kobe's first signature sneaker. This originally released back in 2006. I never got that shoe. This is my first model of that particular shoe, and I think this is my 6th Kobe. I had the Kobe 7s, 8s, 9s, 10 Elites. This is my 6th Kobe shoe, and I'm very excited, and I have a feeling these might be my favorite. I actually bought these not for basketball purposes, but for casual use. I mean, I just love the retro look. These come from a time when it was cool to rock basketball shoes casually. It just reminds me of those days when I was a young kid and I could see all these shoes that I knew that my friends who played basketball, I saw them wearing it, but I said, hey, that's dope too, because they'd wear it to class on PE day, they wear it on their pants, and it was just fire. Now, these are a great pickup. But what I didn't realize was, thinking that I was using this casually, what I didn't realize how much of a beast of a performance shoe this was. I was looking into the shoe after I bought them, and I saw Nightwing's review, Nightwing 2303, and apparently this is his favorite shoe 2018 so far, and it is a beast in terms of performance. So I researched what's different between this one and the past one. For one, this is a Protro. This is a performance retro, pro retro, whatever you want to call it. This is because Kobe, when he retired, actually said that every retro of his sneaker that would release has to be updated to a more modern form of technology, so it would still be very much applicable in the basketball during that time. Right here, the biggest change is right here in the cushioning setup. The original Kobe 1 had isolated zoom here in the heel and here in the forefoot, including bigger foam pads here to support those isolated bags. These actually cut off some of the foam, making it a little bit lighter shoe, and a complete zoom air from heel to forefoot. It's just one continuous bag. I think that's a great transition. That means these will provide great impact protection. If you're someone who really likes cushion, who really likes to be protected when they go and jump, when they go and land, keep those knees, keep those ankles protected, this is a great choice. Another thing that they changed from the original, I believe it's this shank plate. I believe this was once a bigger shank plate. They made it smaller just so the shoe is more flexible. For one thing, if you know modern Kobe shoes, they're really known for that flexibility. You can literally fold them. So these are a bit more flexible than the originals, but due to the materials, I don't think these will flex as much. But getting into to the materials, like I said, the material is one of the best part of this shoe, especially on the leather versions, like the Art of a Champion pack. It's made of premium quality leather. It's that leather you used to see on old basketball shoes. This particular one is a nubuck. It's still a really good material. It's nice and thick. What this does, it just makes it more durable. It feels better in terms of on your foot, although this doesn't support breathability. When this is on your foot, over time this will continually get softer, as well as the leather really form around your foot. It'll create that perfect fit that really hugs your foot, creates that support needed to have perfect lockdown. This outrigger helps with that. The wide base helps with that, so you will really feel locked down in the shoe. You will feel all those premium materials and generally love just how they feel. I'm really excited to lace these up for the first time. I've never used a shoe like this, aside from some retro Jordans that I've played in, and I actually love the ride of those. I'm really looking forward to this one, because not only is this a retro shoe and it looks good, and based on the Jordans I've used to play basketball, I love the feel of retro shoes. It's also that these share certain modern day technological upgrades, like in the cushion, like in some of the areas that they left out from the original, that make these a more modern basketball shoe. I really like this pickup, guys. What can I say? It's a nice simple shoe, retro, just the way I like it. Simple colors, not too bright, not too complicated. Nike did a good job with this one, and I think this is a message from Nike that they're going to start putting out more products with more premium materials. I'd like to see these same types of materials in modern day basketball shoes. I mean, of course they're a little bit heavier to movement now, so it's lighter shoes, but I don't really mind it if I can get this quality of material and this supposed great experience on this shoe. I don't really mind those few extra ounces, because it's not like it's gonna weigh like a boat. I mean, these are still pretty light, judging by how bulky they look. These are still pretty light, and in terms of performance, it's a beast. You won't really notice those things. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Very happy again with this purchase. I'm gonna try to get back into the swing of things. I'm gonna try to upload a lot more often. I'm gonna show you what I picked up abroad. Probably gonna do some different kinds of videos, not just pickups. I might do some style videos, how I'd style certain shoes, what my style is like, maybe look into future releases. I don't know yet. I'll still have to think about it. Hit the comments below what kind of content you want to see, what kind of shoes you want to see even, because I just want to put out what you guys want, and I'll try to mix in what I want with all of that. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll definitely put out a performance review once I get these on court. I might even do a style video how I'd style these. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for all the support always, and count on me putting up more videos in the next few days. So guys, that's gonna be it. And as always, take it slow, take it easy. It's been your boy, Nice and Easy. I am